Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are diving into a fascinating AI powered platform. Two platform I'm going to discuss which are the search engine which is designed to revolutionize how we find and interact with information online utilizing advanced AI technology for more personalized and relevant search result. Meanwhile, we'll be exploring on how we can use it in a better way and what are the various functionalities which it has. Okay, so here before we proceed, I'd like to tell you that this is my channel. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So this is why you have to subscribe, because here you have a skill up playlist where you will find a lot of videos related to internship opportunities and free courses. And this is a playlist where you can find everything about the research, and this is about the journals, and you can find a lot of tutorials for your research, that is R and Rattle, Minitab, Tableau, Power BI. So you can find a lot of informations out here. And if you have any queries related to your research or your career or your interviews, so please schedule a call with me. I'll be there to assist you. You can find the link in the description. And this is my ebook store. So I'm preparing ebooks for the interview questions, Tableau manuals, and everything. So if you have any other specific manual which you want me to prepare it for you, then you can please comment it. I'll prepare and upload it in my ebook store. And this is my blog. I'll be updating this blog with a lot of exciting videos, sorry, lot of exciting informations for you. Of even whatever the sessions which I'm handling, I will be handling everything. I'll be posting up here, so please watch it, have an eye on this. All these links are there in my video description, so please go and watch that. Let us go ahead and look into the very first AI based website, which is como.ai. So which is an AI powered search engine designed to enhance the search and exploration experience. This utilizes advanced AI technology to deliver more relevant and personalized search results. The platform aims to improve how users find and interact with the information online, making the search process more intuitive and efficient. So here you can see this is where you have to search and ask, and if you have any specific topic, you can just start writing the prompt like this. So I'm just going to write a prompt here. Research a topic. Okay, research a topic on Gen AI, generative AI in medicinal field. Okay. So I'm just giving. This is just a spontaneous title, which I'm just getting it. So research a topic on generative AI in medicinal field. So I'm sorry, it's not coming up. So let us just research a topic on Gen AI. Okay, generative AI. Let us try this. Let us see what it is trying to bring. Okay, so exploring areas, certainly. So generative AI research application. So it is showing a lot of research application here: image generation, text generation, music composition, data augmentation, visual character avatars, and everything. So it is showing up a lot of information for me, ethical considerations, ownership, and everything. So here in each and every result you can find some references. Okay, so if you just click on that reference, it will take you to that particular reference from where it picked up. Okay, so this is the important add-on here, because like from where it picked up, so that particular link it is taking us to. And you can see, if you like, you can just see here that research topic on generative AI PDF. So it is also further showing even more recommendations for you, how it works and everything. And also it is fetching up few more content. You can see on the top it is showing like it fetched the data from the medium, SSRN, analytics vidya. So from where it fetched these data, so it is showing up the data from where it has fetched up. Okay, and here you can find even more content here. And if you want to add up something, like if you want to ask something, give me the latest research topics in computer science. So I'm just trying, you can try it with your domain. So either way is fine. So I'm just asking for give me the latest research topics in computer science. It is showing me it's a data warehousing, internet of things, cloud computing, semantic verb. Okay, so it is showing some few recommendations for me. Okay, so I want to do my, so you can just ask further more questions to this to understand like how better it can help for you. Okay, so this is the one which I have found it useful. Or if you want this to explain the concept, explain a concept of how gen AI can be used in probably insurance. Just randomly I'm just typing something, let us see like what it is trying to bring in. So yes, of course it is picking up. Okay, so how you can ask, how you can utilize gen AI in insurance. Okay, not only these questions, you can ask any questions related to your subject and domain. So please go and give a try on como.ai. So the next important website which we are going to see is what explore AI app. So what is this app is all about is what this app will search, will allows the user to search for answers directly within thousands of YouTube videos. So you have lot and lot of YouTube videos, but if you go and search it in a YouTube, it will show you lot and lot of videos, then how you will find. But here, it offers a fast, easy to navigate, and free of cost way to find information and insights from video content, making it easier to explore AI related topics and other subjects. So let us just try here. It's very simple. You have to just click start. Okay, just let us click start. You have to type what you want. Okay, data mining. I'm just typing data mining. So it is showing me some important YouTube videos. So here you can see this is first hour with Kaggle challenge. If you just move it up, swipe up, it will show the next video. Create chatbot with deep learning. So this is not available. This is, it shows the top used data. Okay, the top used videos. The material science of metal 3D, defeating hard AI. Okay, so everything you can find, for everything you can just go ahead with biotechnology. Okay, let us go with machine learning. Okay, I'm just typing something randomly, let us see. Microsoft to invest, so it is showing some informations for us. So because I have generally told machine learning in biotechnology, so it shows some data here. Okay, okay, so machine learning in fighting biotechnologies like a cancer. Okay, so you can find few informations here which will be easy for you to use it. Okay, so simply you can just drag it. Okay, you can just swipe up to see. Okay, so deep mind solves protein folding. Okay, so everything you can find it here. This will be really useful. Okay, deep mind solves protein unfolding, Tesla AI. So you have various videos which are lined up here, which will be which will be really useful for you to find the best videos which are relevant to your thing. Okay, so you have, it's like, even okay Gomati, I got these videos, but how can I summarize? Yes, there are few AI for summarizing the videos as well. If you want to know, just comment yes, I will be talking about that in the next video. So both Como and Explore showcase the incredible potential of AI in transforming our research and search and exploration experience. So be sure to check out these platforms to see how they can elevate your search and learning journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights. Thank you. Take care and bye bye.